Hello, my beautiful viewers. Welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Tumsima Wycliffe. Today we are going to go through presentations, and in particular, we're going to go through Microsoft PowerPoint. What Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the application software programs that is found within Microsoft. So, Microsoft PowerPoint enables us to organize our work into slides and also be able to design those slides. What do I mean by designing? Designing, you're going to put in text, pictures or images, then you add videos or audios. Microsoft's PowerPoint is used in a variety of places. For example, it can be used in schools or universities. I'm going to use an example. Maybe in universities, we can use Microsoft PowerPoint during our lectures. Lecturers can present to us work using Microsoft PowerPoint, and as students, you can also do our own tutorials or present to our fellow students in class using PowerPoint. Then Microsoft PowerPoint can also be used in businesses. What do I mean by that? It can be used during workshops to display a variety of goods. Remember, I told you PowerPoint, you can include images or videos. So within that slide, you can include attractive videos of that good. So through that, you're going to be boosting the market of that particular good. So today I want us to go through some of the features which we use in PowerPoint. As usual, the first step we do, I'll first open it. That means I'm going to come here down, then I type in what I want. I want PowerPoint for, so for our case here, it's already there. I'm just going to open it. So it's there open. So I want us to go through some of the important things which we use in Microsoft PowerPoint. Then after opening, you see I have blank presentation. You can also have templates here. They can also guide you on what you're going to do. Then these are some of the PowerPoints which you already had. So for us today, we're going to learn how to create our own PowerPoint. So when you see when I open there, they've given me this thing here. This is a slide. So I can change to add slides. I can say to add slides or remove slides. To add slides, there are different ways. The first one, I can come and put my cursor then and I press enter. And you see I've got another slide. Then the other option, I can come here, you see new slide. Let's come here. Then I add any slide, the format of the slide they want. So I can say to use title only. Then you see it has come here. That's one. Then if you want to remove slides, just come here, put your cursor there and delete. You see it has disappeared. Then the other way, you can decide to put text in our slides. Then you also, let me first try creating another slide here. We choose the format I want. First go to home, new slide. Let me choose this format. Then we have got our slide here. We first try putting some text. I'm going to say medical school, medical school. Then I also put there, I'm going to put anything just for to use it as an example. So this is, I have created this text here, medical school, then and this one. So I'm going to play around this text to show you some of the important things which we do in PowerPoint. So if I'm going to come put my cursor here, I go to design. In Microsoft PowerPoint, you can say to design our slides. What do I mean by that? I'm going to designing this here. You see now, when I put my cursor here, it changes. This is a design. It makes my work to look attractive. You have to design your slides according to the audience you have. If it's maybe in a lecture, design it according to that lecture. If it's in a business show, design it according to the audience you have. Then also there you see every time I click on it, different slides come up. So you choose the one which is appropriate for you. Then you can also decide to do transition. What do I mean by transition? Transition, these are effects which occur as you move from one slide to the other. I'm going to give an example here. If one go there push, that means if I move from one to another, this effect occurs. Then you can also decide to go here. You see there are different effects. Then you also have this one. Then some are here down. You have a variety of effects. Another one is there. We have a variety of them. You can use all of those. You can use all of those effects. Then you can also use say to put animations. For animation, those are effects which occur within a single text within a slide. For example, I'm going to highlight this one, then I come here and I say that you see what has happened on this single slide. Let me also highlight this one. Sorry. Let me also highlight this one and I come here, fly in. You see what has happened. Different ways you can use different animations there. So that can make your work to look attractive when you're arranging your presentations. Then the other thing you can also decide to insert pictures. Pictures, you come here down. I'm going to say here in pictures. Pictures, they will have different insert picture from. If you have pictures on your device on that topic, you can get them from your device. Then if you have pictures, you can also get online pictures by browsing. Then you can also add shapes. So it gives us we can add different shapes to make your work look organized. You can also add graphs there in case you have data, maybe statistical data. You can design it in terms of graphs. Then you can also decide to add the time and date. To add the time and date, you click on that one, then you come here. You can set date and then you can say to add update automatically. Then apply to, when you say apply to all, means all the slides are going to be having the time and date. You see it has come here down. Then the other thing you can say to add the slide numbers. You can add slide numbers with any number you want. Then you say apply to all. Then the other thing which you can do, you can add some art. You can add some art to your work. I've seen here we have got that one. You can add any text which you want. That's how we add some art to our work. Then the other thing which we also have slideshows. Like when you want to do a presentation, you can come here from, you see now, from beginning shows us things. So there, I'm going to say enter, I'm going to go back. So then you can say to go and view. Then I say from beginning here. You go there, you see now. Then I'm going to say this is our slide show. Say enter. That means our work going to look like that. That's how we arrange our make slide shows. Let me go back. So you have a variety of things which you can do in Excel depending on the audience you have. You can add a variety of things during your presentations. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more so that you can learn together. Thank you. Thank you very much.